This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking essentials, a working email and stable Wi-Fi. Once done, decide whether you want a personal or work account because that affects verification and features. Make sure you downloaded the official Zoom Cloud Meetings app and open it. This starts the flow. Tap Sign Up or Sign In, choose Sign Up to create a new account. You're now in the right place to enter your birth date and email. That validates age and eligibility before proceeding. Now enter your personal info, birth date, name, and a valid email address. You need a password that meets Zoom's criteria. Pick something memorable yet strong and confirm it. Next, accept the terms of service so the app can create your record. Once you submit, Zoom sends a verification email. Check your inbox and spam folder. Click the activation link or paste the code. This step proves ownership of the email and activates your new account so you can sign in. After verification, sign in and finish setup. Add a profile photo and display name so others recognize you. Make sure your audio and video permissions are enabled. If joining work meetings, enable SSO or two-factor authentication for extra security and compliance. To schedule or join, tap Schedule or Join and test audio/video in a test meeting to confirm everything works. If you don't receive the verification email, resend it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.